Hello everyone. In this series of videos, we are going to learn SQL. SQL is one of the most important concepts in the field of computer science. If you are a fresh graduate just coming out of the college, you can be almost sure that there will be at least one question related to SQL in your job interviews. Or even if you are an experienced professional, you would have observed that the applications of SQL are far and wide-reaching. It is used in the fields of data analytics, data science, data engineering, big data, machine learning, and also in the backend of many applications. Okay, so it goes without saying that learning SQL can set a great foundation for your career in software engineering. Okay, so in this series of videos, we learn the most important SQL concepts and also get some hands-on experience on how to write SQL queries and how to run them. So that's it. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to install an RDBMS system. So it can be a MySQL or anything. So, but we are going to install for this series of videos. We are going to use Postgres. So Postgres is an open source RDBMS. So to download Postgres, you can go to this URL postgresql.org /download. And depending on your operating system, you can select any of this. I have a Windows machine, so I'm going to select Windows and click on the download the installer here so that we can download the installer. And I'm going to download the latest version of SQL, PostgreSQL, and select this Windows option here. So I'm not going to download that since I already have the downloaded copy of it. So you can download it. You can click on that option and download it. So once the download is complete, you can double click on this to get started with the installation and click on yes here. And the installation should be pretty straightforward. Nothing complex about it. Okay, click on next here, and this is your installation directory where Postgres will be installed. This is fine. Click on next, and these are the additional components that will be installed. So we will need all of this. So let that be as it is, and click on next. And this is your data directory basically. Okay, the way the data will be stored when you create your SQL tables. Okay, click on next, and let's wait for the installation to begin. Okay, it says existing directory, but that is fine. Click on next. So this is your pre-installation summary. So basically the Postgres database will run on 5432. So it's fine. Click on next and click on next. It says preparing to install. So it will take a couple of minutes for it to complete the installation. So let's give it a couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video till it completes this step and we'll be back. So now the installation is almost done. I don't need the stack builder. I'll just uncheck this and click on finish. Okay. So that's it with the installation. So once you are done with the installation, you can launch the Postgres. So you need to launch this PG admin tool to use this Postgres. So okay, launch the PG admin. So if this is the first time you're installing the PG admin, it will setting up the PG admin. It will ask you to set up a username and password, everything. So since I have already done that, I don't need. I mean, I'll just enter the password and click on login. So once you are in PG admin, so this is how it looks. It has Postgres. Okay, let me get the password. So yep. So we have the databases, login group roles, and everything. So to run your SQL queries, you can log in into any of the databases. So this database, Postgres comes pre-set up. So if you need to create any new database, you can create a new database and stuff like this. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create a database and we'll get started with start writing the SQL queries and practicing them. So that's it for this video. This video was to just give you a small introduction and also to show you how to install the Postgres and get started with the stuff. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.